This is my vision board, and do you see this? We are going here. We are going to Paris. Yes, we are going to Paris. Are you coming to Paris with me? You guys, I'm freaking out. I can't believe these words are coming out of my mouth. We are going to Paris. Oh my god, I am so happy. If you have been here for a while, you know I am crazy about Paris. I have like posters in my house with Eiffel Tower on it. My Pinterest always has Paris things. There was a time when I had a full French learning phase, and oh my god, it's Paris. Oh my god, it's Paris. It's the city of love. It's the city of so much art and fashion. And the fact that I'll be attending a few shows in Paris for Paris Fashion Week is absolutely insane. And I am so grateful and I am so happy and I'm so excited. And I am, oh my god, guys, this is huge. This is insane. I have like my diaries from 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, and in all of those, one thing that I've written is I'm going to Paris, and the fact that it's happening is just making me go crazy. But okay, I need to calm myself down. So this video, I think you know from the title, we are prepping for my Paris trip. I leave in a week and we'll be doing everything together, and I'm so excited. And the fact that I'm wearing a New York top is insane. I should change into something that says Paris. I don't know. I'm pretty sure I have it. But anyways, I'm too lazy right now. But yes, we are going to Paris. I am hopefully not going to Paris alone. Are you coming to Paris with me?
If my visa gets accepted, yes.
I have gotten my visa. And Anik has applied for visa. And his visa has not come yet. But it'll be fine. It'll come. So first order of business is booking an Airbnb. We leave in a week, like I said, and right now we're just checking a few Airbnbs and figuring which one do we want to pick. Of course, the area has to be safe, and my non-negotiable is a balcony, but I don't know if we'll be able to get that with the Airbnb or not. But I really want a cute Parisian balcony attached to the place that we live in. So let's hope we are able to find something cute. There are a couple of options, and Anik has found this thing on Airbnb where you like do something and then you're able to see
Let's show them now what we can do.
I have filmed it, but like I don't know how to explain it. Wait.
On any hosting of any place, you just go down, scroll down. As soon as you see the map, just make it full screen only. Guys, this can only happen on your laptop or PC, no mobile or tablet. And then zoom in to the exact street your place is in or anywhere. Just drag this human and place it exactly where it is, and it'll show you the 3D live view. You can see the building from outside, you can see the area.
We are going to spend the next hour figuring where we want to live, and we're probably going to book that. Our flights are also not booked because Anik's visa has not come yet, so maybe we are going to book that later. But yeah, after this, I'm going to start planning things on my Notion. I think you all already know that I make Notion boards all the time for my trips. I've done it for New York, I've done it for Japan, Vegas. Literally, it's the easiest way to be organized, and I love doing that because it gives me that dopamine before the trip, which honestly, I don't mind. So this is my travel board for 2026. We went to Vegas. I'm going to Paris. I have literally put New York. I don't even know. Like, I haven't planned anything, but I really want to go to New York this year also. So it's just there. But right now, we're going to focus on Paris. Okay, new day. It's actually the next day, and I'm finally done with my Notion board, which I'll quickly show you all right now. And I am also gonna show you all my Pinterest board, and then we're gonna get into the fun stuff because I'm gonna be trying a few outfits, and I'm so excited. I love trying all the outfits that I'm planning to wear on a trip, but I'll yap more about that later. Let me show you all the Notion board right now. It looks so cute. Guys, I am obsessed with the aesthetics of it. I think I'm really good at it. So here are some quick links I have to add for my Airbnb and flights. Just like I want everything in one place, which is important. I think I might add a few more things here. And then here I have everything related to Paris Fashion Week, what shows I'm attending, where I'm attending, but I can't show you all that. Then here I have some must visit places. I will add more here again. Like I need to speak with Anik where all he wants to go to, and then we'll just figure that out. And then of course I have a shopping list, and that I've divided into 3 parts. I'm yet to fill everything in, but here are basically the brands that I want to check, and then the malls I want to go to, and then the thrift sort of markets and shops that I want to visit, and their addresses and their names and all of that. So this is obviously like under construction right now because of course it's gonna get filled up. Here I have some content ideas, which again I'm not showing you all, but be ready. And this is just my famous packing list, which stays the same literally. And then some experiences that I wanna sort of make sure I get to do: macaroon class in Lafayette, and then biking around Eiffel Tower. This again I have a few more which I really want to add. And then here are like some cafes that I'm planning to visit. I'm sorry I've blurred everything because I really want it to be like a surprise for you all, but yeah, this is how my Notion board looks like. I'm obsessed. Now this is my Paris Pinterest board, and there are so many things like places I want to go to, some outfit inspiration, some photo inspiration. It looks so cute right now, and of course it's gonna get filled up, but I don't like how unorganized it looks, so we're gonna go to the organized section. So basically I'm gonna select all these pins that are related to like places I want to try, and then I'm gonna go here and create a section within the board, and I'm gonna name it as must go, and that's it. It's all added in this one section. It is so easy, and for someone like me who's a type A, this is perfect. Look, this is so cool. I'm gonna keep creating more sections if I feel like it, but as of now this is how it looks like. We are in my closet now, about to do my favorite activity, which is figuring my outfits. So basically the weather in Paris is gonna be chilly, of course. It's gonna be anywhere between 14 degrees to like 2-3 degrees. So it's gonna be chilly at nights, and even in the daytime, if it's sunny, which I think it will be, there's gonna be like a 4-hour minimum sunshine throughout the day. So that's good. It's gonna be like a good weather, but also it's not gonna be super fun, and it might rain, it might get cloudy. It's gonna be a confusing weather. So basically all the outfits that I plan are gonna be all about layering. So whenever I want to remove a layer, I can remove a layer. So yeah, let's do this. Guys, I'm struggling so badly because I really want cute outfits, and so far I just feel like my outfits that I've tried have been whatever. They are not out of the world, and like I don't think I like that. Also, I'm trying really hard to incorporate color in my outfits, but that's just not happening because I'm going back to browns and blacks. I don't know why. I'm not that kind of a person, but my winter wardrobe is so limited, so that is annoying me a bit. I think I'm gonna take a break and look around for some more outfit inspiration, and low-key I'm gonna stalk some Parisian influencers and see what they are wearing, and then I'm gonna get back to this. It's a sign. It's a sign. Ooh, that's the Eiffel Tower. We are gonna go to Louvre. Oh my god, this is amazing. Y'all saw me do a bunch of shopping and I will quickly show y'all what I got. And there were like a couple of brands also who were nice enough to send me a few things for my trip. So I will show y'all that as well. And it's gonna be like a quick, cute haul. I think for last minute shopping, I always reach out to like Zara or H&M. It's just easier, you guys. So I have like this big bag. Also ignore this pile of clothes right here. They're in the middle of packing, so you cannot blame me. We are sat on the floor. I think this is the most comfortable it's gonna get. Okay, from H&M, I got the cutest red sweater, and tell me it doesn't scream Paris. Like, look at this collar detailing. I'm so excited to wear this. And then I also got this really cute ruffly top with these balloon sleeves, and again it's just screaming Paris. I saw it and I was like, I need this. And then I got these like olive green pants, but I think I'll return them because I don't know why I got these, and they looked cute in one of the outfits I wore, but then these are not something that I'm planning to keep, so I'm gonna return these. And then this suede jacket, which again I got it looks fine, but then I don't like this kind of a contrasting color here, and it just makes the whole jacket look way more casual, and I don't think that's the vibe I'm going for. And I also got this like poncho kind of a thing from H&M. I didn't get this for the trip, I just got it because it's so cute and spring-like, and I think I can style it in so many ways. It's like so cute. From Zara, I got this like scarf. It's pretty basic, you just put it around like that. I think this is something even Anik can use, so we were just like, okay, we can take this. I again got the cutest top from Zara. It's satiny and it has buttons, collars, and very Parisian, very chic. So of course, and yeah, that's it. That's all the things that I shopped for. Let me show you all some things that the cutest brands sent me. So Ria Kohli, she's one of my favorite people to follow on the internet, and she has this brand called Gmon. And oh my god, I told her that, you know, I'm going to Paris and I really want to wear this jacket, and she was like, of course. And she sent me this, guys. Oh my god, this is the jacket of my dreams. The polka dots, the material, the kind of zipper it has, everything is just so perfect, and I'm so excited to wear this. And she was kind enough to also send me this sweater from her new collection, and it says lover girl at the back. I mean, I'm so grateful and I'm so happy and I'm so excited to wear these two things. And then there's this brand called Cray Heads, and they sent me this like top which is full sleeved, and it has this kind of a stripe pattern going on, and I think it's just fun to add some color to my outfits. And we have this basic polka dot top again. Guys, I'm obsessed with polka dots. This one I don't know when I'll wear. I'll wear it when I'm in Mumbai only. And this huge jumper, I don't know, it's like too thick, but I styled it in a way and I enjoyed how it looked. It's from the men's collection, which is why it feels like even more bulky, even though it's extra small, but it's cool, right? And then this hoodie which says Cray Head, which I feel I can just throw on anytime, but again, this is super thick. I hope like Paris weather is good. I'm sure it'll be good. It'll be mix of spring but like a little bit of crisp air or something like that. I don't know, but that's everything that I have which is new, which you all saw. And now I'll quickly show you all some of the outfits that I'm planning to wear for Fashion Week. And yeah, let's get into that. I'm excited. Okay, so there's a preview which I'll attend. So the outfit for that I'll get when I'm in Paris only, but there are more shows that I'm attending, and I'm planning to wear the prettiest dress that I got from Vegas. Guys, it's so delicate and nice. Like, look at all the beadwork, and this is the bottom. It has these printed flowers, and I feel like it just fits me so well, and it look really pretty and go with the vibe of the designer and the place where, you know, they're showcasing. So this is one of the dresses that I'm planning to wear. And then I have a really pretty, very chic and regal top which I'm also gonna wear. Look at this. Oh my god, the sleeves, the bow, and the way it fits and flows, it is just so well made and structured. It's from this brand called Sayorasa. That's what it's called. But again, this is one of the options that I have. It comes with a skirt, but I don't think I'll wear the skirt. It's like a balloony skirt. I don't know how much I like that, but let's see. I'm gonna figure it there. And then there's one more show, but for that I've not really picked an outfit. I think I'm gonna go with something casual. Like, basically I want to keep the vibe cute, chic, casual, fun. I don't want to overdo it. I don't want to make myself too uncomfortable. It's my first time. I just want to go and have fun. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And yeah, I'm going for my laser appointment. I might get like a peel done. The growth is not so much, and honestly I'm just gonna wear like wintry clothes, so it doesn't even matter. But I just booked this appointment and I really just wanted to get done with it because it's such a long process. Like it takes 3 hours and it's so unnecessarily tiring. But yeah, that's what I'm going for. Show your hair. And yes, we finally met and we've come to this place called Daddy's house. You guys are not gonna see any Paris vlogs because my trip got cancelled. Basically, I was flying Etihad on 2nd March, and of course, with everything that's happening in the world, the Middle Eastern tensions and everything, the airspace was shut, and of course, my flight got cancelled. And I am just grateful that I am safe and I'm home and I'm not stuck anywhere. Of course, I was really excited for this trip, and it was my dream trip, but I think it's gonna happen soon again. I hope so. Right now, I think I just pray that everything gets back to normal, and I am praying for everyone who's getting affected by the war. And I don't know. Yeah, it's quite sensitive, and I don't know. I don't have much to say, but yeah, that's just an update. And this video I really shot with so much love, so I didn't want it to just sit in my folders, so I decided to post it anyway. So at least y'all have seen a pack and prep to Paris. So yeah, I hope we make it to Paris at some point soon. I'm sure we will, but as of now, that is least of my concerns. And yeah, as I said before, I am just lucky that I am in my house and I am safe and sound. So I'm just grateful and thankful to God for that. But yeah, that's it. If you made it so far, thank you so much for watching. And that's it, you all. Bye. I'll see you all in the next video.